I think this day and age, we have a huge emphasis on privacy and confidentiality for obvious reasons. Unfortunately, meeting rooms, office spaces, um, don't lend themselves so well to these confidential conversations and the privacy that is required for those conversations. So if we imagine that there's these sensitive conversations happening, we need to for that confidentiality to be in place. There needs to be adequate soundproofing and management of noise within that not just that space, but going to other spaces in the surrounding area. Um, it's extremely important. You know, we work with customers. Solicitors, obviously, it's extremely confidential information that's being conducted in conversation. There's service users for charities um, who are having quite intimate conversations about their experiences, negative experiences. If that confidentiality is broken, then you have lost that patient, you've lost that service user, and they continue to suffer. You know, they don't get the help that they need. So it's extremely important to have this this barrier, this safe space, and that's what we help organizations try to achieve.